Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today we've got these beautiful leg quarters right here. Now I'm going to go cook up two of them because there's only two of us, so we'll cook two of these up, and we'll put the other two in a chamber vacuum sealer and seal them up for another day. So let's go take these and put down in there. That's some good looking leg quarters right there now. Hey, look how big that leg quarter is. Goodness gracious. I'll put them in there just like that. Okay, now we'll take these leg quarters here, rolled up the ends here that I had turned down. I'm up here in my chamber vacuum sealer. Separate it a little bit. Alright, now all you gotta do is shut the door. That takes off going. Now it's going to compress the air in there or whatever it does for 25 seconds, 30 seconds. And that's about halfway through. Now I've never understood exactly how these things work. I'm sure a lot of people do, but for some reason or another it doesn't do anything while it's taking the air out. But now it's going to seal it, and then it's going to let the air back in, and that's when everything compresses down like this. And there you have those two beautiful leg quarters, all sealed up and ready to go, and put it in your freezer. It's so tight, I can't hardly get them apart here. Like that. Put them in your freezer, and then next time you get ready for leg quarters, you're ready to go. Okay, now the first thing we'll do is wash these off pretty good over here in the sink. That won't take a second. When I say wash, I mean that actually, just rinse them off, make sure there's nothing on them. Put them back over there, do the other one. Okay, now we'll pat them dry good. Do the other side. Okay, now today on these I'll be using this lemon pepper. It's Tony's lemon pepper. And so of course I gotta have some LAWRY'S all-purpose chicken seasoning. And if you didn't see it before, this is the lemon pepper, Tony's lemon pepper. And of course I'm gonna get sea salt. So now the first thing I want to do that's why I turned these back over, because I want to do these on this side here. Like that. Do some LAWRY'S. I'm going to rub it in just a little bit. Nothing extreme, just help it stay on a little bit. I'll roll them over. Now I forgot to show you on the other side, I've got my olive oil here in my Evo little spray bottle. Now spray the other side also when you're doing this, and then go back and do like we did on the other side with the lemon pepper. Now these are going to be lemon pepper leg quarters. And we've got some good sauce to go on them in the end over here. Don't want this guy to feel cheated over here. Okay, now that I've got all that done, I'm going to turn them over on the other side because I want to put this side down, because I'm going to flip them over in the middle of the cooking here, and I want this to be the finished side up. So give me just a second. Okay, now we're going to take these and put them right down in this Ninja Max here, air fryer, just like this. Turn them a little bit like that. And there you go. You can see them down in there now. That's a good snug fit. So take that old nasty glove off. Okay, now I was looking here at the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL Quick Start Guide. And it doesn't actually have leg quarters in it, but it has thighs in it. And so it says, cook the thighs at 390 degrees for 22 to 28 minutes. And so I think that's what I'm going to do and try it. Of course, we're going to put the thermometer in them. We won't never let them go all the way before we put the thermometer in them, just to make sure what they're doing. But we're going to stop them about middle ways through, and I'm going to go ahead and set it for 22 minutes. We're going to stop at 11 minutes and turn them over and see what they look like. So here they go. Now you see them like this, going in. That basket slides in easier than any air fryer I've ever seen before. I know I've said it before, but until you try it, you just don't believe how easy it goes in. Alright, and we're going to set the temperature here. We're going to air fry. We'll leave the temperature at 390. We'll run the time up to 22 minutes. Okay, and then we'll go hit the start button. And so, unless you want to sit here and watch that thing count down from now to for another 21 minutes or so, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to you people that watches our videos. We sure do appreciate it. It means a lot to us. So, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now we're just about down to the 11-minute mark, and so we're going to pull these out and take a look at them and turn them over. And so, won't be but a second or two now. Can't wait, can't wait. Alright, there's 11 minutes. Oh boy, look the way those juices are up in there and that thing's bubbling along. Alright, let's take them over here and set them down. Alright, chicken's sizzling away in there now. That's looking good. So, we'll see if we can't flip them over here. Oh yeah, it's already trying to come off the bone there. You don't want it to come off the bone yet. I reckon we got ways to go with it. Yeah, just like that. Now for the thermometer. I'm sure it's going to have to go back in there, but I'll tell you what, folks, it's not going to have to go back in there long. Biggest part of this is just going to be putting it back in there and crisping it up good. Because it's almost done. So let me get it back over here and get her crisp up here. Now push the basket back in there and let it get started back the way it was. But like I say, it's not going to have to be in there much longer. Okay, now the people from Ninja Busted knows what they was talking about, because I've been checking the temperature on these along the way, and it's just it's staying right there. It's about 100. It's about 150 degrees the last time I checked. That was about a minute and a half ago, 2 minutes. I want it to go to 165, of course. So I guess I knew what they was talking about, because I really believe it's going to be 165 in another 6 seconds. But we're going to see. I just want to tell you, of all the air fryers that I've ever used, this is the easiest cleanup, and I'll show you why in a few minutes. But this is, and now Kay says every time I air fry something, if she's here, she says, you make sure you use that Ninja Max, because that's the easy cleanup. I said, yes dear. All right. Let's get fried chicken up there. Now we'll check the temperature again. Okay, and stick this thermometer in here. Oh yeah, it's over 165. And that one right down in that joint there, 167. So that's just about perfect. You're not going to get much better than that with these two leg quarters here. But now we're not finished. Take them out of this pan here. Boy, don't they look good? They're going to look better in a minute. We got this lemon pepper wing sauce here. Now I'll bet you, I'm betting money that this sauce don't know the difference between his leg quarters and wings. So we're just going to pour a little liberal amount on here like that. This is one of those things, if you don't want your company coming back, don't feed it to them, because it is good. Y'all hear my stomach growling? It was just looking at that chicken, and my stomach started growling. You know, I haven't cut into this yet. I hope it's done. It would be right funny if I cut it open and it just all red juices come out. Well, it wouldn't be funny to me. It'd be funny to y'all. Now tell me, don't that look great right there? That is beautiful. Now find me a knife. Okay, now let me see here. I'll just try to get this little one over here. I'll cut right down into this joint. Pull it apart. Just pull it apart. Now look at that. Completely done all the way through. Nothing even remotely resembling any red parts. Get this old bone out of here. He's in the way. That piece of skin's in the way trying to eat. Look Let's see how this is. That is really so good. I'm going to tell you right now, that is some good chicken right there. That's delicious. I want to tell you what, now if y'all even think you might like lemon pepper chicken, this is the way to go. Something now, I can't leave this little leg alone here. I'm going to have the rest of it. See that? You, no matter where you go to on that, that's nice and done all the way through, and so juicy you wouldn't believe it. Well, you can see all the juice running down here. That's great. And so that's about it for these little chicken thighs here. Now these thighs weigh not thighs, but these leg quarters weigh about a pound each. Because that pack I had of 4, I had just a little bit over 4 pounds in there. And so that's the size of legs or leg quarters I'm using, a pound each. And so you can cook 2 of them in there at the same time, you know. Okay, now until next time, I hope y'all have a really good and safe day, and I hope you come back and see us real soon. And if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure appreciate it. And check out our links below. If you want like any of these items, you think you want any of these items I use in this video, you can go down our links below and take a look at them. Now, none of these people pay us anything to mention their names. This is just the items that we like, and I'll put them in my links below. And if you order from my links, Amazon does pay us a little bit of money, but I mean, this is just a little bit of money. But anyway, just so you'll know. So until next time, goodbye now.